told you I was going to bring you to the underground caves, and you didn't believe me. But when I say I got your ass, oh, I got your ass. We got the fertility god, yeah. We got some alien god. Fam. Underground tunnels. I told y'all. Look at this. They've just blocked that off. So they've blocked off all the windows. So this is like a church, isn't it? Man, I can see bare fairies. Jesus. Let me just get the There's a whole world over here.
That's what I'm saying. The sound.
They was living under here. So at some point, they wasn't able to live on the surface. Look, you've even got bricks on the floor, bro. You've even got bricks on the floor.
Look at them faces.
Them faces here, bro. This is mad. Yeah.